Number 12 is asking us to find the measure of angle WZX to the nearest degree. So I'm going to start by highlighting that angle. The way an angle is named is you just trace through the points W, start at W, go to Z, and go to X. There's angle WZX. And there's a couple different ways to do this. We could, the most straightforward way that you guys kind of taught me is to just, I'm trying to get the right pen here, sorry, is to just start at ray W and just count. There's 10 degrees, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. So 80 degrees. The way that I used to do it is I would use either the outside scale or the inside scale, as long as you're consistent. If I'm using the outside numbers, this is 60 degrees right here. And again, using the outside numbers, this is 140 degrees. And then take the difference. 140 minus 60 is 80 degrees. You could also use the inside numbers. We have 120 degrees here minus 40 degrees here. That will also give you a difference of 80. But no matter how you do it, this angle is 80 degrees. Number 13 is asking us to name a pair of supplementary angles in the diagram above. Now, in order for the angles to be supplementary, they have to add up to 180 degrees. And the way you remember that is supplementary starts with the letter S, and so does the word straight. Straight line or straight angle. That will remind you that the supplementary angles have to add up to 180 degrees. And you have to remember that supplementary angles means a pair of angles. So we're looking for a pair of angles that add up to 180 degrees. And there are lots of answers, or there's more than one answer to this. We could take this angle, and that would be supplementary to this angle, because when you add them up, they make a straight line. So that's one possible answer. V, Z, W, and W, Z, Y. Those add up to 180 degrees, that pair of angles, so they're supplementary. Another pair of supplementary angles would be VZX and XZY, because those also add up to 180 degrees. So as long as you pick a pair of angles, two angles that when placed adjacent to each other form a straight line, add up to 180 degrees, then you have a good answer. Number 14, if triangle LMN is translated 2 units to the right and 6 units down, what will be the coordinates of the vertices of the new triangle? So let's actually do that translation. 2 to the right and 6 down. Let's start with L. 1, 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. There's L prime, and it looks like L prime is at negative 3x and negative 2y. So looking at my answer choices, it already looks like, it must be D. But let's do the other vertices just to make sure. Let's take vertex M, 2 to the right, 1, 2, and 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to put it right on the x-axis at positive 5x, 0y. So that also matches answer choice D. And then N, 2 to the right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, puts N prime at positive 2x and negative 11y. That also matches. So the correct answer choice is definitely answer choice D in this case, as we graph that translated triangle. Okay, we'll pick up the review with 15 on the next video.